Morning, guys. Maureen's made us some lovely breakfast, so let's go and find her. Morning, Dad. Where's... Oh, here she is.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, what's she wearing? What did you burn?
No, nothing. It's just the grill.
Morning, Maureen. Can you face this way, please?
Oh,
morning.
I really fancy being vlogged right now.
Yeah.
Been awaiting breakfast.
I always cook breakfast, so...
Not true.
Yeah.
No,
Anywho, good morning, guys. Well, hey. Whoa, what's this, Maureen? Oh, eggs. Oh, what's in there? Oh, bacon. Oh, where's the beans?
Beans in the microwave.
Oh, baked beans. Yes, I love having full English breakfast. I eat this. I could eat this every day. I don't eat it every day.
She does.
I kind of do, actually. But I can't go wrong with bacons and eggs, mate. How does that look? Thanks to this child. Michael looks very impressed.
Thank you, child.
Thank you, child. Oh, baked beans. Oh, we love baked beans.
We've trained her well.
Yes, we've trained her well.
Yeah,
She's a good child, isn't she, honey?
Should we give her a biscuit?
No, that's a bit too much. You guys always ask, what is that? Is that tea? Yes, this is tea. We add a tea bag and water and milk to our tea.
People are fairly familiar with the
No, honestly, I've had so many people asking me about tea.
Yeah, I didn't know about that.
Okay. Anyway, I add milk in my tea. Everyone adds milk in their tea.
No.
Majority
Beans
of the
on
time.
the side.
Beans on mine, please.
Yeah,
Can I have beans on my side?
She's already created a cavern.
What do you mean a cavern?
Well, a place for it to go.
Yeah, definitely. And I don't like it like touching my toast, because then it makes it go
That's
so. Michael, don't make it touch. Now, can I have another spoon, please? Thank you, baby. No, Michael, you did that on purpose, you meanie. No! That's so evil.
Okay, yeah, come on.
That's so mean.
Look what she's kicking off over.
Yeah, I am kicking over. I didn't want a bean on the toast. So Maureen is the longest person ever in the shower. She spends hours singing like she is the worst. She's so annoying. Because right now we're only using one flipping bathroom because the shower upstairs is broken.
Sing it more.
From the heart. Oh, nobody else?
You're recording me, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Caught her.
Now the issue is, one needs to hurry up because she's not the only person who's in the shower. Well, I've had a shower, but my husband hasn't, and he smells like a dog. He doesn't. Do you guys like my eye makeup? Michael said I look like a drag queen. That's not nice.
I didn't say like a drag.
What did you say I look like?
I said it's a little heavy on the eyes.
He said it's a little heavy on the... So guys, I want you guys to know one of my favourite songs, thanks to Mike. It's Dreadlock Holiday by 10cc. Big tune. I don't like cricket. Woo. Oh no. I love it. Woo. Oh, come on, Maureen. I love it. When you walk through my world, better show some respect.
I'm kidding.
Stop talking in the back there. Maureen's scared to go Ikea with us because it often ends in tears. Mainly Michael's tears.
Ikea is the shop that tests many a relationship.
Many a relationship, Ikea.
I think I'll just
My
bring the
opinion is
travel
just let the woman have their own way and you're good to go. Why does a man need to interject into woman things?
Oh, Mike, I like that cupboard over there. No, I'm not so keen. You never like anything. I don't even care anymore. You just want to put all this old tatties. It's gonna look terrible. Forget it. I'm going home. What's the point? Why are we even here? I want to go.
That pretty much sums it up.
That pretty much sums up Michael's behaviour in the show.
And yours.
That's Michael. Okay, fine. I can overreact. So now we're gonna go to the wood shop again. It's just a wood floor. I don't know why it's so hard to pick, but we've decided we want this thing. It's called North American walnut in a 6-time lacquered finish.
Maureen,
And it's just gorgeous.
pinch me if I fall asleep, sorry.
No problem.
Why are you even commenting, son?
It's that guy peeing in the bush.
Oh, which guy where?
Oh, yeah.
What bush?
Look by the traffic light over
No.
there.
Where?
There.
I can't see a guy anywhere.
Behind, but...
You really are behind the white car, right there.
Oh yeah, he is peeing in the bush. Pia, we caught you on camera, Pia. on the main roadside. Hey, come on, man. What we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to Patricia, because Patricia knows best when it comes to these things, darling. Are there any guys out there who are into decorating? And are there any women who agree with me that you should leave women's work to women? Like, the man should have the final word, and the man's final word should be yes, dear. I heard that on the TV yesterday. I was like, yes! High five! High five! Preach it. Honey, do you agree? Final word should
Sorry,
be...
I didn't hear anything you just said then. Sorry, what was that?
Why?
No, I just didn't hear anything. What were you just talking about?
I said the man should have the final word. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
And the final word should be yes, dear. Agree with it.
If it just means pat on the back and say yes, dear, but then not really meaning no love.
Not on your life, mate.
Not on your Larry. Anyway, we're going to stop talking because we're having random conversations about nonsense, and we'll continue this. We're here again. The guy's like, do you guys want a hot chocolate? We're like, yes, please. We take forever to make decisions. We're such grannies. We're drinking hot chocolate because we take so long to decide. This guy's like, hey guys, yeah, do you want a drink? Yeah, I'll get you guys a drink. You'll be here a while. He knows us quite well. I hate traffic. We're just having this discussion, you know. Me and Mike aren't really the best dancers. I am the best dancer. I'm much better than Michael in terms of rhythm. Lord, he dances with his elbows. Buried in the mud. And we're not really the best singers either. So just saying, like, what are we gonna do? How can we help the kids have some rhythm, have some like singing lessons? So Maury said we'll take them to. Oh, Michael, you teased. That was cheeky. Michael just did one maneuver there. But yeah.
The guy behind was slow, man. Why?
The guy behind was slow. You snooze, you lose.
You can't be slow, mate.
You can't be slow like that, man. Come on, high five. No, we're gonna take them to Auntie Maureen's once a week, or some street dancing lessons, something. You guys might find me dance a lot. We do dance a lot. We love dancing. We love dancing and singing. Like my mum's worse. My mum is literally worse. You might be watching TV. She'll come in front of you and begin dancing because she wants attention. So that's where we get it from. Apologies. And there are other people who do it as much as us. So here's one of the rooms, all plastered. The gorgeous spotlights have been put in, but I'm not quite sure what we're doing. We're going for probably whites and greys and stuff. I must show you what the bathroom looks like. It looks like a bomb site. But it's going to be done in like 3 weeks. That's what he said anyway. It's flooring. So here's my closet room. Got a closet room. And there's our flooring. The flooring for in here. I'm just going to show you how it progresses here and there. We should be moving in actually in 2 weeks, so fingers crossed there's a lot more done. So me and Maureen are now sitting in the car because the house is cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
It's freezing, and it's a bit of a building site, and we don't do very well with building sites, do we, Maureen?
No, not when they're there.
When it's ready, then we can start painting and putting cushions down and pretty things. That's what we want to do. So yeah, hope you guys are going to join us, enjoy the process with us as well. So let's wait for Mike to hurry up, because I don't know what he'll be doing in there now. Probably investigating some kind of pipe or something. So Mike's kind of gone to some kind of tool shop. Me and Maureen have decided that we need to go to Matt's land. Yeah. Not that we've ever shopped in here ever, but seeing as there is
in the failure of
there being anything else. Matt Land.
Exit.
Obviously, Matt Land seems like a good choice in comparison to going to a tool store. So yeah, in the Christmas mood already. Together with you. Oh, look at those sparkly apples. la la la. Does it make you happy?
Is that Mr. Shaking Hands woman?
So we're starving, so we're gonna go to the restaurant first. I love the meatballs usually. Now we're eating the traditional Ikea dinner. I always get the meatballs and chips. Maureen got the fish and chips and an apple cake. Michael got meatballs and mash as well, and cranberry sauce. Yum. So we have consumed our Ikea meal. My apple strudel was actually disgusting, but you know, whatever. Michael, you look tired.
I want to sleep now, I've eaten.
So we're now leaving Ikea, and to be honest, we didn't make it out unscathed. Michael's already in the straw. So the battle lines were drawn in the bathroom aisle. Battle lines were drawn in the bathroom.
And this is the result.
And I won. Rory won. It was a close call. It was a close call. It was hard. As he walks up into he walks off into the distance.